The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday, happy FOMC day. Hope everyone had a great night. Hope everyone's having a great morning. How you doing? Gossip? Why isn't it showing on my thing? There we go. Give me a second here. I forgot to bring up the stream on my phone. There we go. Got that. Long stream today, 8 hours or something like that. 8.5, 7.5, something like that. Anyway, ES is climbing here as we look. NQ overnight. I have no idea what I'm looking at there. 10-minute chart. Oh, I tried. I was comparing something yesterday. We came up and came down. High of the session 390. Low 320. Not a lot of range. Only 70 points. Yeah, making sure 390. Yeah. So only about 70 points. So things are choppy. Hey Dave, how you doing? Copper up and down. It looks to be about a range of 120 ticks. Gold's been popping up. Uh, 11 points there for gold. Ultra bond kind of up and down. There's my other yellow line. There it is. About a point in range. Crude oil popped up, popped down. And let's see, I should have done this before the stream started, moving the yellow lines, but But 2 points in range, and last but not least, natural gas. About a point, no, about 150 ticks in range. So there we go. That's what the market's been doing overnight. Hey, Pac. And looks like we've had some decent trading here. Let's look. Let's just go back and look. Let's see. 3 points by 2. Smaller ranges here on ES as well. That would have been a winner. That would not have been a winner, and this is trying to be a winner. We might need to, I'm not even sure, maybe less than 2 points right now, because this is not moving much at all. Hi, Eric. Welcome. Hope you're having a good morning. Let's see, that goes go 2? Oh, well, there we go. That would have been 2, so that would have been a winner. There. really quickly going to answer an email. So watching here, sorry about the silence, answered an email real quick. And we are ready to rock and roll. Just kind of sitting here, sitting on the dock of the bay. Bitcoin's been kind of stagnant since it made its little rise up over the weekend. You see, Ultra Bond's still spotty. Looking like might want to come down here though. Let's see. I guess I should make sure things are logged in already. Yeah, they are. Okay. Are they logged in down here? Yes. Hey, yeah. No internet problems so far this morning. I did. Oh yeah, that's right. I am up $95 from last night. 1 for 1 on that trade from last night. It's not paper trading. It's actually trading ETF since Tostep has not gotten back to me. Nope, still popping up here. So, anyway. Okay. How is everybody doing this morning? Are we ready for FOMC? Oh, yeah, actually, I want to do a poll. Pull. Why can't I add a pull? Huh. Oh, maybe that's what I need to do. Oh yeah, there we go. Good morning, Deb. There we go. Vote in the poll. How many basis points do you think we will do today on FOMC? Vote early, vote often. Excuse me 1 second. Still grinding up here on ES. I have no idea. But welcome, Jarrett. Sounds like you like whatever that is. So, glad to hear that that works for you. Welcome to the stream. Excuse me a minute. I'm back. So, slower morning. The start of probably going to be a slower, choppier day. Just fine. Everything is fine. Oh, but we are getting a trigger candle there. Sorry, I got distracted for a second. Let's, we'll try and join the ask on this and see if we get filled. Wow, we got filled right away. Not sure how I got slippage on a limit order, unless I did hit market. Maybe I did hit market. Meant to hit limit, but that's okay. See if we want to come down here. This is kind of counter trend. It hasn't been a long trend, so we'll see. Yep, long day today. Streaming through the FOMC meeting. Oh, wait a minute. Am I going the wrong way? No? Where's my stop? Oh, there it is. Yep. Streaming to after the FOMC meeting, so 8 hours-ish. Long day Friday as well. Hanging here around 38.67. We're trading ES. And we're watching in here, down 3 ticks. We'll see where it goes. This was an iffy trade. We see that the 2 moving averages I use are kind of converging. Yep, looks like we're gonna get stopped out, move back up. See where it goes. Coming right back down. Yay. Maybe not right back down. Maybe just sitting there. We'll see. We'll probably change this stop to 2 points because I think if it goes more than 2, we know we're wrong. What's my entry? 38.67. So we'll move it to 38.69. Morning, Matt. How you doing today? It's coming back down again. Coming back down again. It's kind of hanging in this area. You can see we consolidated in this area earlier for over an hour. So this isn't a surprise that we're kind of hanging here. This area we got up to 38.70. 50 twice. Maybe I should move my stop back up there. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out here. There we go. So down a bit now today. By 21 bucks. Let's see me if I shouldn't have moved my stop. For now, we'll wait for our next opportunity. There's gonna be a bunch today. Oh, but I need some ibuprofen. My back's hurting. Not that many ibuprofen. Got stopped out either way. as it continues to rise up. It's gotten above this consolidation area. Trying to get back up. What's our high of day on ES? High of day is here. 38.81. Still quite a ways away from that. You can see off that last trigger candle, the one I missed, because it was like 2 minutes before the stream started. It's going about 4 points. I should have just reversed once it showed signs that it didn't work going down instead of holding through the full 2 points. But it's trying again here, so that's interesting. Another trigger candle down. Often if they occur that quickly, it's a good sign. So we'll try it again here in a second. Okay, we're filled. Yeah, that's coming right back up, right? Yeah. We might stop trying to take shorts here. Looks like it might want to trend. And I'll get out of this one quickly if it looks like it's gonna continue up. Yep, about that. Maybe pushing down. There we go. Yeah, 38.68 and a quarter. See if we continue to push down here. I love the wick on that current candle. What's everything else doing while we're watching this? Yeah. Not sure. Oh, there we go. Crude heading up after a big move down. And gold is completely sideways. There's ES heading back up. Yep, jumping out. Well, we'll just kind of let it be what it wants to do today. Damn it. So we're going to try and it's just kind of hanging in this area around 38.69. So we're going to wait for it to clear the area and before we try another trade. NQ, you can see, is also being sideways rangy. Watching it pop back up. If I taking the moves back up, it hasn't quite hit 2 points. We shall see, we shall see. So each dip it continues to come back up. So we will not take any more dips until it shows that the dip is more than a dip. I didn't think the uptrend was that great. We were a long downtrend, so I didn't think this was that that it really established a trend yet. But it looks like it really has. So we won't try any more downs. System of a down, chop suey. Let's see if this will get to 2 points. I'm only looking for 2. It has not done 2 off of that trigger yet. I got my finger on the trigger. Some traders wonder why. Trading ES, it's do or die. Very slow today so far. Almost the top of the hour. Maybe that'll get things waking up. There's the top of the hour. I don't think we have any major news this morning before FOMC. We'll look here. U.S. ADP employment change. That's happening at 8:15, so 15 minutes from now. Not sure how that affects the market, if it affects the market. Crude oil inventory is at 10:30. And of course, FOMC this afternoon. Everyone's very quiet this morning. Dakota still missing. Hope everything's okay. Hope I didn't say anything weird on Friday that upset him or something. Just trying to push up again here. Oh, it's IQ. Oops. But even so, this would have hit the 2 points, so 800 purple for the trigger candle. So I just tried to pick the downside, should have picked the upside. It's an upside trade. So just watching him here, waiting for some opportunity. Agriculture overnight. That's the wrong contract. I can see that already. I just didn't roll it. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Excuse me a minute. I'm back. Sorry about that. Agriculture came down today. Looks like. Ultra Bond waking up a bit and heading up. ES slowly grinding up. A little bit of a pullback here. Morning, Robin. How are you doing? I'm doing all right. It's trying to tempt me here again. But after the last couple failures to the downside, we're not going to go for it if it triggers. Hey, Reggie. Haven't seen you in a while. How you been doing, man? Good to see you as well. Is that work schedule change a good thing or a bad thing? And Q triggering there. Nah, so kind of good and bad. So we're getting a trigger candle here. I don't know, maybe I'm stupid to think that I should try it again. This is, well, went away again. This looks a little bit more solid than the last if it holds, but we'll wait. Yep. My manual trading, up and down as usual. My algo trading, past earn the trades account, and that's now funded. Yep, so this is, let's just be the trigger candle I should have taken on the downside. We'll see where it goes. Definitely looking like it. Probably a good idea, Reggie. FOMC today, so things might be weird and choppy. Yeah. Putting too much pressure on myself on Tostep. Try and get that bonus. Right now, Tostep's blown, and they haven't gotten back to me with the reset. So I'm actually on ETF. Yep, this would have went 2 points. So I should have taken that to the downside. But after losing on these two to the downside, I didn't trust it. I should have. Good luck, Reggie. Uh, 2 p.m. Eastern. Little bounce there. Looks like it wants to continue to come down. So tried to come down, failed, went back up. Tried to come down, failed, slightly higher high. And finally, it found its footing to come down. There'll be more opportunities. Little bounce, trying to continue down. Remember the vote in the poll? Do you think we're going to do 75 or 50 basis points today with the Fed? We're tied 50-50 right now. Well, I thank you for that support, Reggie. Appreciate it always. Definitely try to say hi here and there so I know you're still around. I hate losing contact with people. Slept weird last night. My back and my neck hurt. Ouch. That goes away. It'll be a long day if I'm sitting here with a backache. Back to trying to push down here in the S. CFT's been doing well. Whoa! Wow. What the heck? What news did I miss? Oh, that was a US ADP employment change. Holy crap. 239K. Expected was 185K. I didn't think that moved the market that much, but that just dropped the market huge. Down 6 points there on ES, down 29 on NQ. That woke me up. Ultra Bond down by 8 ticks. Wow. Oh, were you in long there, Reggie? Anyway, CFT's doing really well. Although I haven't heard from him at all this week, a little worrying. And John, by John, do you mean John DeFore? He's been doing really well. Wow. So big move down here. That woke up the market big time. There you see a bounce. I should have played that bounce. It got down to 56, bounced back up to 60. Awesome to hear, Matt. So, I got to start remembering this news after I talk about it. But like I said, I didn't think that piece of news had that big of a reaction normally, but maybe because the miss was so much, I don't even know what that news is. I gotta look it up. U.S. ADP employment change. I don't know if that was a good number or a bad number, so we're gonna look it up. Ah, so that's new jobs basically. More people started working than they expected. Have a good one, Reggie. Glad seeing you. Paxa, I don't see a message there. I just see your name. Kind of odd. Let me see. Nope, shows that way on the phone too. So popping back up after that quick impulse move down. So you can see that trigger candle would have ended up, I mean, obviously I didn't know that, but would have ended up 13 points. Remember, folks, if you're enjoying today's broadcast, stream, whatever, wouldn't mind hitting that like thumbs up button. Show YouTube algorithm that you like it. You like it. You really like it. Rod, how's it going? Coming back down. Green is good. What time does FOMC happen for you, Rod? Ultra bond. Also bounce back up, trying to bounce back down. This is we're at its open. Leveled out here on the indices. Yeah. Yuck it having to get up before 5 a.m. Okay. Yeah, a little bit of a pop back up here. Let's try to get that whole candle back. It wants its candle back. That that sounds like a rough. That sounds like a rough schedule there, Rod. Oh, that's a long signal there, or a candle, or whatever word I'm trying to. But we have downtrending bands on the RSI. It's kind of a mixed signal here. Let's see if it. Nope, it's heading back down. Hey, Rand Wolf, how you doing? Strong downtrending moving average on the RSI. See if this is an up down up move. There we go, green again. Nope. Coming back down. Well, Rod, if you decide to get up for FOMC, I'll be here. We are streaming all day today until 3 p.m. Eastern. Thank you. Pushing back down just like ES is. Maybe I should have taken this back down because this did breach was a trigger, and I should have. That would have been on a 2-pointer. Not even sure why I didn't think of taking that back down. I guess I thought got too much into thinking that we were heading up there, but would have gave me 2 points. Yep, a long day for me. Probably after get off, probably take a little nap. Watch the Phillies tonight in the World Series. Continuing to push down here. Oh, guess not. Wow, big bounce. I like big bounces in it, cannot lie. Have a good sleep, Rod. It's still trying though. See, our moving averages are trying to kiss. Ultra Bond's all chappy too. Oh, little burst there at 8:30 here. I don't. There's no news for a burst that I'm aware of here. Let me just make sure. No. Pushing down. So, besides that little excitement from that news, bit slower morning today. Just kind of expect it with FOMC. When it's slower, there's a tendency to want to try and force trades, especially when you're streaming to an audience. So it's a tendency you have to need to fight. But also, I need to take trades that are there. And this was right, kind of like a trigger candle here. Let's see, and it would have went 2 points, so that would have been a winner. That would have been a wiener. Gossip, you got COVID? Sorry to hear that. Hey, Loper. We'll move up here. See if it bounces again off this EMA. EMA Sports. It's in the game. Earned its purple. It ended up being a trigger candle there, not the most convincing one in the world. Definitely not the most convincing one in the world. Hey, live sucker free. Just trying to push up here. Taking the long. Could get in like 2 ticks late compared to if I had just gotten in off the trigger candle to begin with. But hey. Hey, David Jackson. See if we get anything off of this. Hey, Garner. I have no idea why that happens, guys. I don't have the power to unsub people, so not that I would anyway, because it just hurts my numbers. So I have no idea why YouTube's doing that to you. There we go, target hit. There we go. First winner of the morning, $100. Now only down $17 on the day. And it earned its purple. Boom. Actually, So I kept well, we're now 2 for 4 on the day. 1 for 3 on the morning, but I had an evening trade as well. One trade. So 2 wins, 2 losses for the trading day. Down just slightly. Popping up, 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 up. Rising up. We'll see where this goes for us. Well, not really for us. I'm already out of the trade. You know, if I can get myself a cushion, you know, I want to do, you know, more than one contract, but right now don't want to take that chance. So riding this up. Yeah, we're watching and waiting here. So we're a little over an hour into this extended stream. Remember that over the next 50 hours, we get Ox about 20 of them. That's an overdose, Fox. Hopefully we'll soon be seeing some people roll in here, Ace and RJ. Still wonder what happened to Dakota this week. How's everyone else's trading going, guys? Warner and David Jackson, how you guys doing? Besides having to resub. Yep, back down here on this, trying to come back down here on the move. Trying to trigger them. I'm not getting triggered though here. Down 17 bucks. Justin, it's a terrible, terrible, horrible day. No, it's not horrible yet, but it's got time. Meh. I don't really think it's. I mean, obviously, it's not as jumpy as. This is a trigger candle. It's not as jumpy as NQ, but I mean, it's not really that much different. Wow. Not sure where that candle came from. 4 points down. Wow. 6 points down. 8 points down. What's driving this? To the news, Batman. I don't see anything. I have no idea what just caused these huge moves down. And again, I should have taken that, and I get caught with that little deer in the headlights thing. This would have been an excellent trigger candle down. Obviously earned its purple. Although I did kind of get, you see this large wick. That kind of, the wick was about the same size as the body, so that could have been a reversal, but I should have taken it. Would have been a nice win. Good morning, John. But yeah, ES is alright, and I mean, I'll probably stick with it for a while, see if I can get consistency. But wow, so I don't know what brought on this short, but all of a sudden we're three rather large candles down compared to what we were seeing. Since it hit that high there, 830, 67, it's dropped over 10 points that quickly. Sudden surge down. That looks like it might be trying to bounce here. His bouncing went well below that third band. I'm not really running the bands anymore. I kind of like it without the bands. You can see how much it scrunches up with the bands, but it's a nice band bounce here. It looks like a reversal candle. It's going red and green. Taking a long here. See if I'm stupid. Yep, stupid. I shouldn't try and play reversal plays. I should know better. Out. Yeah, just took a loss there. Should have taken. Now down 122 on the day. Looked like a reversal candle. Hit the third band. Everything was there, but it decided not to. I gave back that last win, which is fine. So, strong move down. Just gave back. I mean, now lower. Is this a low day? No. Oh. Yeah, it is. It's low day. I didn't even realize that. So, we dipped down before the close yesterday down there. 38.56. Was that yesterday's low? Yeah, it was. So, did we just hit low from... Yeah, I could have just done this on a daily chart. That would have been smart. Let's do that on a daily chart. Boom, 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 boom. Low now today is 38.54. Low yesterday, 38.52. So we had not yet breached yesterday's lows. Yesterday's lows. Yesterday's lows. Don't stop thinking. Oh, sorry. Anyway, about 45 minutes from the bell. How you doing today, John? That reversal candle there was just bad execution on my part, possibly here. It's come, it didn't actually come down 3 points. If I go with my regular 3 point stop there, it wouldn't have not have stopped me out. It's come back up and it'll actually be in profit. Probably a great idea there, John. So in other news, Twitter is reportedly working on a feature to allow people to post videos and then charge users to view them, with Twitter taking a cut. So all live streams will be on Twitter from now on. No, kidding. Yeah, those Phillies. 5 home runs. Quite, quite, quite amazing. And I mean, I'm still a little shocked about what's going on. Uh, After Harper hit that first inning home run, the stadium was rocking so much that it actually showed up on earthquake machines. Another temp down, another reversal candle there. Did not take that one, obviously. Yeah, I was surprised that I read. Yeah, they showed the seismograph readings. They were literally shaking the city. That's awesome, John. Yeah, they're now they were the underdogs starting the series, but odds makers are now they're the favorites after 3 games now. Popping back up. So this is me being too skittish. If I had gone with a 3 points, no, okay, I still would have got stopped out. That's the wrong way anyway. Really? I got in at 59. Yeah, I would have. Okay, I still would have got. I got in at 57. I would not have gotten stopped out. So anyway, I would. This would have been a profitable trade if I had not killed it early. Oh yeah, I saw that. Like 75 million or something like that. He could win. Morning ace. Rejected here off that EMA. Nope. No move up here yet. 1.2 billion dollars on the line tonight on Powerball. I bought 3 tickets. So if the stream gets canceled for tomorrow, you know what happened. Now we'll try to trigger up again. There's a trigger candle. So how's Ace doing today? Taking the long. Was a little bit premature there, but we'll see what happens. Morning, Burl. Q also popped up there with the trigger candle. Let's see if this works out for us. It's going all right. This trade doesn't look like it's going to go okay, but we'll see. Hopefully an up, down, up move. Ace, how's your sick kid? Doing better? There we go. Come on, give me that extra 2 ticks. There we go. There we go, 2 points on the S. Now down to $28 on the day. Kind of just going up and down by $100, so, and then losing commissions in the process. But at this point, I'm happy being down 20. I mean, I'm not happy being down $28, but I'm obviously it's a very recoverable to move forward. And that trigger candle earned its purple. Purple nipple. And it pulls right back down. So it only went one more tick above our profit and then pulled back. Been on a downtrend here since about the last hour or so. We're about a minute and a half away from the top of the hour. Energies market's open. See, crude. Oh, what's crude? Oh, yeah, I know that's right. Well, crude's been a spotty up and down. Pulls back to the EMA here. 30 minutes from the bell. 5 hours from FOMC. Try to set a trigger back down. It's interesting. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Oh. Nice gossip. Tired this morning. And I don't know why. I mean, I don't think I slept well last night. I mean, this is a trigger candle down. I'm not sure I like it. I'm gonna stay out as I see see it is still above the moving average on the RSI. And there's me yawning again. Yeah, popped right back up, so it's good we did not take that trigger. Tickle in my throat. Tickle, tickle, tickle. I don't know. Just kind of hanging here. Just kind of hanging here below. Does it want to move down? That's a good question. Push it on down. Ooh, we to that deluxe apartment in the sky. I don't know. That made no sense. Don't judge me. Up, pushing back up now. So, I mean, theoretically, we had two triggers there. We had the one that didn't work to the downside, and then we should have maybe taken the one back up to the upside. We'll see. See if it gives 2 points. Still kind of learning ES. Learning this system too, so. But it did stay above the moving average on the RSI, so it should give me confidence to take the trade up. We'll see if it ends up going to 2 points. Remember to vote in the poll, and hit that like button. Somebody made me feel stupid on Friday. That's what made me switch to ES. Well, I blew up Tostep on Friday. And honestly, I think my problem with Tostep is I'm trying too hard there for that bonus. But anyway, that's beside the point. So I went over. I had thought about visiting with Weenie that day, so I had his stream up, um, and I looked in and I saw some conversation about me and about someone, how I insist on trading NQ even though NQ is so hard to trade, and how, I get given good actionable advice on ES but don't ever take it. So I felt like this person was just saying that, I'm too stubborn or too stupid to trade something that is a little less volatile, when I don't think it's the asset that's my problem. The problem is my own execution. I think ES and NQ are just about the same. Yeah, NQ is thinner on the book, and it's more jumpy. But, so I took the weekend and I charted out ES. I said, fine, we'll do this. Maybe ES can give me, more consistent 2 points, 3 points here and there. And yeah, Ace, I agree. It wasn't the intent. I know, it was not the intent to upset me in any way, or say anything bad, which is why I didn't get like really upset. I know that, Ace, but it made me feel stupid, so I decided to switch over and try ES. See if maybe or not it can make me feel less jumpy while trading it. This would have went 2 points. So far, exactly 2 points. So with slippage, it might not have gotten the 2 points. So I'm not going to give it its purple yet. But yeah, I know it wasn't the intent. I know the person never meant any ill will about it. But just it. I was already in a bad mood from the trading that morning, so it was like just kind of compounded that. For a thing. I forgot to remind you about trash. You did get trash out yesterday, right, Ace? I don't know. I mean, eventually I'll, if I get this, I mean, first of all, if I get the ES thing down, and it's profitable and continue profitable, that's good. But there's always going to be a part of me that wants to conquer NQ, and maybe I just need to get good at ES and then move back over. I mean, they make almost the same moves. Obviously, they sometimes diverge, but I mean, yeah, you can see the same movements pretty much. So the thing with NQ is you kind of need bigger stops because of the jumpiness on it. And I am realizing that, and I'm risk averse, so I prefer not to use bigger stops. Whereas NQ, I might, ES for the same trade, I might only need say a 3-point stop, which is $150 versus a 15-point stop on NQ, which is 300. So, we'll definitely see. I'm. That's not fair, Ace. I'm just ready to say I'm sorry to hear that, and then you say not mine, and I chuckle. Okay, I'm very sorry for your loss, Ace, whoever that may be, and glad it's not you, buddy. It'd be really spooky though if it was. So no Dakota again this morning. I don't know what happened to him. All of a sudden, all the UB traders have disappeared. I haven't seen CFT all week on Discord either. Don't trade UB, you might disappear. I'm glad to hear you lived a great life. I'm sorry for your loss. There's a trigger candle back down, but we see how tight these two different moving averages are. We see that the bands are tightening down here. We are 18 minutes from the bell. Speaking of UB, what's it doing? Oh, UB's gotten some. Wow, that was an interesting candle there. Nice move down. That was a nice trigger down. Nine fake trigger there. And moving back up. No RJ yet this morning. So this trigger down actually is looking like it would have worked. The other thing is maybe I need to be taking these more. You can see here. Give me 1 second. Boom, 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 boom. So you can see how you know, this isn't real big of a range right now, but let's turn back time. You know what time it is, right? Turn back time. I charted out the entire morning and afternoon yesterday, and you can see how many trigger candles there are, or were. Now, today's probably going to be a little bit less, but you can see that there's a lot more purples and blues. I think it ended up being 34 to 19. And there's ways to filter out the blues, so I need to probably be taking more trades. There's a lot of possibilities. By a trigger candle, it's, you know, to earn a purple, it has to go at least 2 points. So you can see already this morning for the ones I've marked off, there's more purple than blue here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and I haven't even marked these. 10 with 3 blue. I don't think well. I mean, technically that was a trigger, but I would never have taken that. We'll see if this one earns its purple. We'll give this one its purple. It went exactly to any slippage. This does appear it went ahead down. Just kind of watching. Oh, why is that the most? As we head into the bell, less than 15 minutes away, on this special extended stream. Yep, it just earned its 2. See, that would have been another nice one. I get kind of skittish when, you know, this close, but I mean, would I have gotten skittish if it wasn't there? I don't know. It was kind of choppy there, but you can see we got 2 points both directions. Let's see, I have been comparing to NQ, so this would have been the trigger up 31 up to 40. Would not have reached 10. And then back down there, 31 down to 23. So far, neither one would have reached 10 points. They would have reached 7.5. So, not time for the bell yet. But moving down. Low of the day, 38.54. Good morning, Speed Racer. How are you doing today? Sorry, Tay. I don't know why that happens, guys. I really don't. But thank you for resubscribing. Yeah, I actually I had some Doge. Um, that I was my average price was like 7 cents. So it doubled over the weekend. I sold about 2/3 of it, which is nice. It's about $150. Still have some. Not sure where's Doge at now. A little under 13. I'm glad to see you, Tay. Thank you for, like I said, thank you for resubscribing. No idea what's going on with that, with you guys. I noticed, like last weekend, it was saying I was at 1,131 subscribers, like on Friday. And like over the weekend, it went down to 1122. And I have a feeling 9 people, most people don't unsubscribe. They might, even if they lose interest in a channel, unless they just, go through and do a clean out, they don't unsubscribe. They just leave it there. You know, so I had a feeling people weren't unsubscribing en masse, even though I had a bad Friday. And now over the last 24 hours, my subscription count's going up like 20, which is rare, which is weird because I usually only get about maybe 50 subs in a month. So I'm expecting this to go back down too. Something's weird with YouTube's subscriber thing, and I don't know exactly what's going on with it. Little pop back up here. That was a 2 point candle almost. 7 tick really. Coming right back down. And unfortunately, I got to keep subscriber mode on for the chat, or else I get porn spam 5, 6, 8 times a stream, and I just dealing with that is no fun. Ooh, nice little burst there. Hey RJ, how's it going, bud? So this trigger might be also working. Didn't take it because of our closeness to the bell, but I might be being too conservative again. We'll see. Thanks, RJ. Yeah, Phillies are doing well. 2 more games. Yeah, it's. I mean, I only started turning subscriber mode on for the chat like maybe it was probably about 2 months ago when the porn spam just got to be too much, and it's like they were hitting like 8, 10 times a day, so I had to go to subscriber mode. Phillies are up 2 games to 1. Burrow. It's about 6 minutes to the bell. Yes, at the end of May, they were 21 and 29, and they fired their manager. And honestly, I mean, I did not expect. I mean, I didn't even expect them to win the wild card. But even once they got in the wild card, I never expected them to get out of the first round or the second round. Yep, they hired a Canadian manager, Rob Thompson, topper, baseball lifer, and Joe Girardi was kind of, I don't know, never really liked Girardi. I mean, obviously he's been a successful manager, but I don't know. It seems like he just lost whatever mojo he had in his past life. He lost. It seems like. Just hanging here. Three minutes till the bell. Popping back up though. Right here before. About 2 minutes to go. Weenie's not streaming today. You can see how we're kind of just sideways here. As we head into the open. Might be not a huge open this morning because of the FOMC later today. So this would not have gotten 2 points, at least not yet. FOMC is at 2 Eastern. I don't know. I think it's going to be a choppy day. Choppy, choppy, choppy until FOMC. If it's 75 basis points, it's probably going to go down and then probably level out. If it's 50 basis points, it's going to explode up. But I'm almost sure it's going to be 75. So there's the bell. Ding, ding, ding. A ding, ding, ding. A ding, 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 ding. We'll go to our 5-minute charts and watch it. So we usually play the opening 5 anyway. And we'll watch it on the 1 midnight. So I would have stopped out there. So that didn't there. It's purple. Right now, nothing really exploding down or up. Some green there in ES, but only 3 ticks now. And Q up by 8. There's a 2 points. Looks bigger than it is. And that's what she said. No, there's a push down. Obviously could have, would have, should have taken that short. Didn't because of the open. They got plenty of time to take more moves today. Extended stream here for FOMC. We'll be streaming until 3 p.m. Eastern, 2 o'clock my time. At which point I'll pass out. No. Although my voice might be gone by then. We'll see. That's right. From 7:30 a. Well, yeah, 7:30 a.m. this morning until 11 a.m. Friday. You got me about 20 out of 50 possible hours. 52, I think. It's like 40% of your time could be spent with me. As ES continues to push down, NQ has now come down 30 points since the open. 33. ES continues to move down. It's that new low a day. Yep, oxidized. You've been oxycuted. Bouncing here. Continuing to push down. NQ now down 53 points on this opening 5-minute candle. ES down 11, 12. Morning, Huron. Good to see you. NQ continuing down 50 points. ES new low a day 38.46 and a quarter. But it'll bounce back up here. You can see it on the 1. And we're about to close this opening 5-minute candle. NQ is going to close it down 41 points. ES, get a more macro level here, about 8 points down. So we'll go back to the close-up view. Kind of disagree there because I mean if you're saying they're sideways now, I mean I could have got 2 points here, 2 points there, and I could have got a whole bunch of points here. So to say there's no, well, it's a downside. To say there's no trades worth taking, I think is just not true. My trigger candle there, if I had taken it, that would have been a beautiful. Could have been up to a 14-point trade. Four-hour chart. Let's look at it. 4-hour chart sent me a trigger candle back here yesterday. Actually, just sent a trigger candle at 1 a.m. Big move down there. It's not really sideways. Bouncing off this EMA, this Zurich EMA. Probably should have taken that there. Keep saying that. We had a long wick down. But I got burnt by a wick earlier. Burnt by a wick. Anyway. Pulling down. Hanging. So off that, it said it should be a trigger candle, and it was. It would have worked for my 2 points, or even 3 points. Yeah, but gossip, that's only because I just didn't take the trade and my skittishness. The trades are there to be taken. You're saying there was no good trades to be taken, and there was. Right here, let's mark this in blue because that one didn't work. Over the last, forgot to mark that one in purple. I really wish I had a shortcut for one for purple, one for blue. So anyway, 6 trigger candles of the last 45 minutes. 5 good, 1 bad. I should be up, like 100, 500, 350 off of that. And there's trades to be taken. Okay, guys, I got a question while we're here and it's not Marcus not really doing anything. What is the whole thing behind the whole male gossip and no donating to gossip? What exactly does no donating to gossip or entertainment mean? What do you mean by that? I'm just curious about your usernames and the fact that you both have a similar name. What exactly are you talking about donating to gossip or entertainment? I'm just curious. I've always been curious. And is female gossip less of a disease than male gossip? I'm just confused by your usernames. I'd love to hear your stories of what those usernames are about. And do you guys know each other? Poppin', back up. Well, we have a long stream, so I figure we might as well get some questions out, especially since, this opening is kind of like, eh. Every day you have a different name for him, RJ. I am not a gambler. I have a system. I have a trigger. I back test. Look at this. Gamblers wouldn't do this. Gamblers wouldn't take a full freaking weekend and go back through ES and line out every freaking trigger candle. My my strategy. I broke my chart. That's as far as it goes back now. Oh yeah, I guess that's right. I only get 10,000 bars. Anyway, what the heck's that line? Anyway, oh okay, you went back further. Anyway, I spent hours this weekend. If I was a gambler, I would just throw something at the chart and decide nothing. I may make bad decisions, but I'm not a gambler trader, and I don't like the fact that you guys say that. I've met gambler traders, ones that'll just take 1,000 trades and hope they hit. RJ, two others said it yesterday. Just because I don't have the confidence in myself doesn't mean it's a bad strategy. That said, you got plenty of other options on YouTube. Um, to go watch. Don't if whatever. Well, no, it bothered me yesterday when two people tried to say I was a gambler, and it's just not true. If I was a gambler, I would have a lot more trades than 4 or 5, whatever it is today. A gambler would be taking all these and more. I'm too conservative. I should be taking more trades, so it's like the opposite of a gambler. Okay, why trade in a sideways market? Because winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade. All these would be winners if I took them. So you're saying this is a sideways market, and I can kind of see why you would say that. But let's see. By taking this trigger candle here, obviously 13 points, but looking for 2. This would have been 2 back down. This would have been 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. This one might not have worked. I would have needed absolutely no slippage in getting in, and I would have needed to get filled at the top. So that one could have ended up not being 2. 2, loss, 2, 2, actually, or more. Right. I'm not looking for 5-point moves or 10-point moves on ES. I'm looking for 2. You can feed a family on 2 points a day. Right. You know, eventually when I have a buffer, I'll do more than one contract for, oops, you know, they're running into one another here. For moves like this, maybe, where, you know, I could get out with 1 for my 2, lock it in, move my stop to break even, and try and catch 10 points on something like that, you know, at the open, or this news pop down here where it went 13. Exactly. Growth mindset. I'm not trying to say his way is wrong in any way. There's hundreds of different ways to trade profitably. It's, for me, it's always been about execution and mindset and not about my strategy. Well, here's the thing, guys. Someone wrote an algo based on my strategy, and that algo has made thousands of dollars for me on earn to trades and past earn to trade for me. I'm up over $300 this week using that algo based on this exact same system. And being very conservative with it since it's, you know, until it builds up a cushion. Yeah, I'm not a robot. Streaming and trading is very hard. And trying to be both entertaining and trying to make decisions quickly. You know, perhaps I shouldn't even be on a 1-minute chart. I've experimented with 3-minute charts because it gives you quicker, you know, more time. I'm sorry, not to make a decision. But yeah, I didn't take all those trades, but that doesn't mean they weren't valid trades. And you're trying to say that there's no trades in a sideways market, and I'm showing you that there are. Just because I didn't take them doesn't mean they weren't good trades. I'm curious there. Did YouTube censor you there, or did you censor yourself? Okay. I was going to say, I didn't think YouTube started censoring, but I wasn't sure. I know I can't say stuff like that, but or I can risk demonetization. Not like my monetization is anything worthwhile anyway, but averaging 75 cents a day. If the algo keeps working as it's been, I've been testing this algo now for months. Not just me, but a nice little group we have testing it. Different profit targets and stop losses, etc. If it keeps working the way it has been with the testing and now on actual accounts that matter, probably gonna end up going to 100% algo trading, and probably end this, not maybe not end the channel, but end the live streams. And I can just do once a week videos with summarizing what the algo did that week. Hey, B. Livingston, haven't seen you in a long while. Glad to see you. Yeah, I mean, I don't need to step. I mean, For everyone that wants to try and give me advice, I want to see your broker statements, your profit and loss. I want to see how long you've been a successful trader. That goes for anyone not named RJ and Curon. You know, I've had several veteran traders tell me I was never going to be successful in trading as long as I try to live stream as well. That trying to entertain while also streaming just doesn't work. And I disagree with that because I've seen other streamers be successful, or at least they look like they're successful. But maybe this doesn't work for me. Y'all want to criticize, but I don't see any of your trades. I don't know, you could be sitting there just 100% paper trading and telling me how to trade. Use a 4-hour chart, use a 2-hour chart, use whatever. This is, trading and streaming isn't easy. Why don't I take a lot of these trades? Because of this. You know, for the person trying to point out, well, you didn't take these trades. Because I have people second guessing me every day. So I end up getting skittish. I trade differently off camera. Or off stream, I should say. I'm not on camera. This one, by the way, would have been a winner, but I got in late. I got in late because I was kind of responding to someone on Discord, but this went 2 points. You can see here, entry 47.75 up to up to 50 even. So that was a 2 points. No, you're trying to say because I don't look at a 4-hour chart, I'm trading as a gambler, and that's just not true. I am an extreme introvert in real life. The fact that I ever started streaming in the first place is still like a miracle. And the fact that I got very comfortable doing it is a miracle, and it's the second miracle. And I no longer feel comfortable. And I'm not getting paid to stream at all anymore. You know, I gotta. The deal with Tostep is only if I ever pass their eval. Share Vision's gone away. This is providing absolutely no profit to my life right now. Except for about 75 cents a day. If I look at my analytics right now on YouTube, I made 75 cents on Monday, 82 cents on Friday, 98 cents last Thursday, $1.09 last Wednesday, $1.07 last Tuesday. I sit here at least 3.5 hours every day putting myself out there, and yeah, I know I'm not a winning trader, but you know, I don't run anything that's no stops. You know, there, by the way, if I had a slightly wider stop, I wouldn't have got stopped out. It's heading back up. I don't need, at this point, I don't need to keep doing this. I was enjoying streaming, but if I'm going to start getting up every morning and dreading it because I mean, I could just start timing it all out. Yep. I mean, that's right. I never mention donations. I never do anything like that. I mean, people could have been donating to me since I got to 1,000 subscribers and got monetized, and 3 or 4 people have, and I don't ask for it. Obviously, I don't. I don't think you guys should be putting money toward, this. You know, ooh, big move back down there. But like I said, if I'm not gonna enjoy this, doing this, there's no reason for me to do it. I jump up at 6 a.m. I start the stream at 20 after 6. Get all the social media out, and if it's gonna feel like a job, especially when I'm not getting paid for, there's no reason to keep doing it. You know, I hate taking losing trades. It's hard for me, especially on screen, because I feel stupid. Especially if I do something stupid. Sometimes trades don't work. Sometimes, like this one, I shouldn't have, once I was late, I shouldn't have got in. And I got stopped out for it. I'm going to start hiding people. Like I said, there's plenty of other channels out there. Unsubscribe if you want. If you don't enjoy my content, I don't need you here. I don't want you here. If you enjoy my content, then I want you here. I don't care if I only have 5 people tuning in every day. If it's 5 fun people that, you know, can make it a fun little room, that's fine. Like I said, I'm not getting hardly any money from being monetized anyway, so it doesn't really matter how many people are here or how many people aren't. The market continues to come down, keeps establishing new lows of the day. New low of the day, 38.42 on ES. And Q down in 260s, I mean. Not sure if it's that low of day too, looks like it. I could have done that the easy way and done to here. Got below a day there now, 263. Excuse me. Hot therapist was definitely definitely an advantage, I guess. You can get same day appointments though. Remember, guys, if you haven't hit that like button, I'd appreciate it if you did, because I'm probably about to get a whole bunch of dislikes on this one. Excuse me 1 second. Continuing to grind down. Market's grinding lower. Remember, if it's 50 basis points, which I really doubt, we're probably looking at a big boom up. I don't know what 75. 75 could be priced in. Obviously, there's always some sort of big move right when the announcement comes out, but you know, 75 probably isn't going to shake the market as much as 50 would. Olive Garden and Zombie Movie Fest? Nice. Wasn't that near what our high was? I forget what our high was. High was 81. So continuing to grind down here. This actually ended up being a trigger candle. And it's probably gone too. It did. Again, just barely. Now, theoretically, this could have been the same trigger, I think. Let's see, 3? No, I would have got stopped out there. See, that one would not have worked. And this right here, this was choppy. So, you know, so just kind of watching the market. Anything else doing anything? We have crude oil inventories coming up, I believe. Maybe there'll be something exciting there. Yep. Crude oil inventories here in about 4 minutes. Ultra bond's been choppy as well. Well, we'll watch crude here on inventory, see what it does. It's been popping up here. That was a beautiful trigger candle right there. Popped up, looks like 50 ticks off of that trigger. was kind of watching. Huh. I gotta fix the top area there. That looks weird. Didn't realize how weird that looked until I just took a look. Pulling down. Nice wick. On oil there, we did that. That was inventory. Went down from 42 to 19, popped up to 46. Popping down now. So let's see what the news was. Actual U.S. EIA crude oil inventory is actual negative 3.115 million. Forecast was negative 0.2 million. So back to ES. Popping up, popping down, popping fresh dough. I went silent so I didn't get demonetized. And wait, are you behind on the broadcast? Because I've been back for like 20 minutes. Maybe 30. But I don't know. This weekend I'm gonna really do some thinking about whether or not I want to keep being a live streamer. Oh. Oh no, RJ, I know that absolutely. I absolutely 100% understand that, and I have a level of respect for you because you've shown multiple, many times over, the levels you call out are almost magic. I have nothing against checking higher time frames. It can help, obviously, for, trends, so on and so forth. But I don't think as, a scalper, a higher time frame, if it's sideways means you can't get good trades of a smaller variety off the lower time frame. Yeah, 240 minutes. I did that math once, so I don't have to do it again. Took a long here. At this point, I don't know if I even care if I lose. Honestly, I'm thinking of just ending this stream at normal time. Which would mean we have about 30 minutes to go. We'll see. This was a bad entry. I didn't look at the bottom chart, which was above the Bollinger Band. So this was an absolutely bad entry. My focus is totally screwed at this point. Stop that. So yeah, that was a totally bad entry. I don't enter trades if it's above that. Above the band like that, and that's exactly what I just did. Um, so now we're down big on the day. This is what I was trying to prevent, but hey, I'm a gambler, so why don't we just do 10 contracts next time and really gamble? And here it pops right back up. Came down, exactly ticked me out, right back up. This is going to end up being the better trigger candle. Was an up, down, potentially up move. That the new sponsor fell through, so no sponsorship except for, well, I mean, Tostep is apparently willing to sponsor me until I get funded, but they're not responding to me with me needing a reset, but so I'm never gonna be able to get funded. And I'm putting too much pressure on myself with that anyway. So right now, I'm just making pennies a day streaming. You know, so I mean, I didn't get into streaming to make money, but at this point, if it's no longer fun and it's no longer making me money, I just not sure continuing is what I want to do at this point. So if this wants to come up, I'm not in this trade.
Is anybody here trading for trade day? Kieran wants to know. They're a good firm, I do know that. Yep, we're all definitely doing the, going to continue doing algo. That's going to be, I'm probably going to end up going 100% algo trading. Sit back and watch the bots do the work. I'm up $375 in 3 days on the urgent trade account, trading just a couple micros from the bot. Yep, if I can trust the bot to do what it does, means and all that means I don't longer stream. It means I can start getting up later. Don't have to get up at 6 in the morning. Maybe I'll go back to streaming the evenings and cut out the mornings. Evenings seem to have a different crew. I mean, there's lots of good in this crew too. Not saying that, but doesn't seem to be as many hecklers at night. We're watching this kind of a chop fest. Uh, uh, Bullish and golfing. And see, I'm now sitting here second guessing myself on every trigger candle, knowing that, if it doesn't work, uh, my mindset is totally screwed. What the heck is penny Ibotta? So off of that trigger candle back up, it would have went 2 points. That would have been a winner. I accidentally already gave it its trigger candle. I'm not sure how it earned its purple before it earned its purple, but I gave it its purple. See how it perfectly bounced off that moving average. Boom, kind of pinballed. So that would have been a nice move up. You can see how it formed the smile from there to there with the green and red teeth, some falling out of its mouth. So I was just one trigger candle early there, or I mean, like I said, it stopped me out to the tick and then went. That one wasn't really. I don't. I mean, I made the mistake of getting in when it was going to reverse. You know, that was usually a sure sign of reversal, just like this was. You know, the trigger candle here also is iffy. It wasn't above the Bollinger Band, but it was like right on it, and it did come down. But this time it had more room to not hit my 3 points. And I have talked about going to a 4 point stop this time of day, but this time today is not normal. We're having smaller moves, with the exception of an occasional impulse candle. So, pulling back. Alright, folks, if you haven't hit that like button, appreciate it. We've already gotten one dislike, so expecting more. Just to keep that percentage up. Keep it up above 90%. I still don't know what penny Ibotta meant, RJ. And I've never watched The Walking Dead. Oh, is penny Ibotta something at Olive Garden? Okay. Is that what we're talking about? Yeah, I guess I should have just Googled that. Pushing down here. Took the short. It probably won't work. Probably be our last trade of the day. Yep, didn't work, which is fine. I stopped caring about an hour ago. Well, maybe it might be a red, green, red move. What's NQ doing? NQ's doing that same move. Yep. Let it stop me out here. All good. Yep, there we go. So guys, I think we're gonna call it here today. I was gonna, like I said, I was gonna do the long stream, but my mood was totally destroyed, and I'm taking bad trades now. Unfocused, down 500 bucks. Had a lot of hope for today, but yeah, we'll see. We're probably canceling the overnight stream on Friday as well. Just do regular that day. Regular day tomorrow, regular day Friday, and then we will decide whether or not I want to continue next week or not. Right now, it's looking like a no. Maybe we'll take off for the holiday season and be back next year. Who knows? I don't know yet. But we'll see. Maybe if Tostep ever gets me a reset, then maybe I'll try and continue that. Since I got to do that on stream, but it's not. There's no reason for me to continue at this point. But I'll continue for this week. Let's see how things go. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Talk to you all tomorrow.